What's up, my Pugnos? Andy with Tech Influence. Excited to share with you guys this really high quality, super fast charging 240 watt USB Type-C cable from the folks at Magtame. Before we jump into it here, this product was provided to me complimentary. This video is sponsored from our channel sponsor. This is an awesome magnetic braided cable here to be able to give you transfer speeds up to 20 gigabits a second and 240 watts. The fastest charging plug in the house here is a 240 watt plug here for my MacBook Pro. So this is gonna be easy, perfect way to be able to charge. Plug it into your outlet and then let it rip. Now that you're primed and ready to go, plug it in and you're gonna charge in no time. This is gonna charge up to 140 watts, fast charge super quickly. You obviously can plug it into a Samsung, Android that has USB Type-C, and this is gonna show you how fast the sucker's gonna charge. 36 minutes until charging full. That's about 1% a minute. What's great is it's very versatile here, so if you wanted to, you could charge it into obviously a peripheral that is meant for travel, like this 3-in-1, your AirPods, your Apple Watch, and your phone. We're gonna go ahead and throw my phone here. It's gonna start charging. This is up to, I think, 5 watts on each one of them. In total, this is gonna push 20 watts out through this power bank, which is a 10,000 milliamp power bank from the folks at iWalk. This is a great way to be able to charge and have it on the go. Otherwise, you can go ahead and plug it in here with your MacBook Pro that's got the Andar case on it. That's full grain leather. It's really simple and smooth. This is gonna push out 140 watts as well based on the plug that you've got. With that said, make sure you check out down below the links in the description. This was provided to me complimentary. This is an awesome plug. A meter is gonna give you so much length. It is collapsible and magnetic, and it pushes up to 240 watts. I didn't have a plug that could measure that nonetheless, but I was able to charge my phone super fast with at least 1% a minute for that 5,000 milliamp battery. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Andy with Tech Influence. We'll catch you on the next one. Bye.